we are coming with a force. Blessing the reaper with voicing on full. Going to rise on course. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful.
Hey y'all, it's been a long time, but I'm back. I'm back with a travel vlog this time. I've been up all night, so I'm delirious, okay? I got my birthday bestie in the building, Ashley. Listen, we tired. We sitting up here waiting for some food. Hey y'all, I'm back real quick. I just want to introduce y'all to Jessica. She's also a YouTuber, so. But this is your first year, right? Yeah.
First year as a nurse.
First year nurse. So freaking proud of you, man. You worked your ass off.
I did. It's hard. It was hard, lots of tears. But honestly, as anyone that's going for nursing, like, don't give up. It's literally like a battle the entire time, but it's worth it. And like, look, out on vacation.
She taking that time
Now I
off.
can enjoy life to the fullest. So it was worth it. It was worth it.
Yeah, all them years. Woo, child. Well, you about to have some much deserved fun. My girl about to be 20, big 20 what? 27? 28? Ooh, she get all y'all.
We're gonna celebrate Ash. We're gonna turn up for her.
The spoiled queen. Spoiled little baby. She. We're gonna check back in with y'all when we get on the flight. With y'all passport queens. Y'all looking for a St Maarten man? Y'all gonna be a 90-day fiance?
Y'all don't have y'all passport on you right now? Because we could have took like a
little video.
Oh my God, look at my blood butter.
We need a passport. I made it match my outfit. I still look tired. Yeah, they way in the back. Way in the back. I'm like so ready. See y'all soon.
Kilo fat, I'm on that chocolate. Fine, fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not more? Your body, chocolate. Bush it ready, yeah, in my day. Top of the seal, kilo fat. Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in there, body. I'm a damn easy, baby.
It's hot. It stank a little bit. Oh.
It's really like just like salt water, like.
Smell like a little bit of like cow manure to me. Here we are. Here's our ride. checking in. We here. How y'all feel? Y'all still tired? No. You still tired? Got your little welcome drink. You like it? I think it's rum.
I mostly want high rum. Is that the rum that we're getting?
Yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Right, so we made it to where we at? What's this called? Rib Shack.
Captain Rib Shack.
Captain Rib Shack, okay? Let me tell y'all how we just had a little scare with these Celine glasses.
Right.
Miss Thing right here.
I'm not putting them on again for the rest of the trip because those Celine glasses were from Bali and I don't want to take a chance losing them again. And my homegirls helped me find it and I'm just so thankful because they literally went down to the diggity bottom to sit here and call and make sure they got to the source.
We found them. We thought they was in a taxi, but they wasn't. They at the resort. So glasses secured, shades secured. You just take a picture with them and then that's it.
Yeah.
So we about to grub. We hungry. All right, y'all. So I got the rice and peas. I got spicy noodles and I got curry shrimp. So they got food that's bussin' though. I wish I could eat like that. Okay, let's do a little room tour, shall we? So this is the view from the balcony. See the ocean. Welcome to MTV Cribs. Yes, ma'am. We got the vanity. Period. Nice big shower. Rainfall shower head. Okay, come on, rainfall shower head. I'm not scared to get a little wet. We got Jess and A. Yay. Okay, we got the little seating area, you know what I'm saying? Got a little lounge here. Yeah, lounge, okay. Read a book right there. We got the 2 queens because we're 3 queens up in this mug.
This is my girl Jess. I love you so much.
Wait a minute.
Say hey, Leah.
Hey, girl. This is the money maker right here. What? What? Do y'all see it? Are y'all seeing this?
This is so beautiful. We got the bar right here.
God been blessing us.
What?
This is why we work so hard, okay? This is why we work so hard. I brought like 3 pair of heels. I was trying not to bring my other pair that I wanted to wear with this one outfit, but I was like, let me chill because I'm going to be over. We on our 3rd welcome drink.
Can I see y'all?
We about to go get another welcome drink. This is our gifts. Yes! Look at what she got us. Yay, that cherry bomb. That cherry bomb.
She got us gifts for her birthday.
Right. This is what you do when you travel outside the country with your friends on their birthday. Okay? Look at that.
Aww. Can I get the pineapple cups, please? Yeah. Let me grab mine real quick.
This one right here. I'm gonna put my welcome drink in here.
Right? So these are for y'all, but y'all finna give me one so I can take.
Oh,
a
I'm about to
shower, okay?
exfoliate. Yeah, you
I
good.
brought my exfoliating long thing because I'll be playing when I come on vacation. I'm already gonna be out in the sun too already. Oh, my feet are so bad.
You need your piggies rubbed. This little piggy went to the market.
Where's yours, Lee?
In your bag.
Oh, yeah.
Bow, 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 bow. Oh! I'm lit, Loki. It's good. It's good still. Don't worry. I'm on my 4th rum punch.
So these are your gifts because we're gonna be out in the sun, so you guys need to come back and exfoliate and take a bath.
Oh, you're so sweet.
And we have drinks, so all our drinks are gonna be like this. So when we go to the beach, we're gonna have our drinks. And you know, we got matching pajamas because who doesn't want to have a girls trip with matching PJs?
That part.
And you know, we gotta have that lip oil because we are not about to be having no chappy lips on this sun.
Period.
So,
Period.
I want to thank you guys so much for coming. Y'all know y'all mean the world to me.
Aww.
Jessica, that made me so emotional. You surprising me. And
Yeah.
being able to be available now that you got your RN. Congratulations.
Congratulations, my girl. Work hard.
Yeah, you do not say no to a trip when it comes to me. So
Period.
I am
Deposit
so
ready.
excited. And if I am taking a trip and she's not, she watches Kaisa. And I want to appreciate you and thank you so much for all you do.
And we want to shout out Shailene
And Shailene,
because she's the
she's
goal.
on a trip right now, and my girl is over there watching Kaisa. And I love you so much,
Big ups to
Shay.
her.
The world is yours as soon as I get it all.
That part. Aww.
Period.
You guys a close look.
All right, y'all. We gotta go get ready. We pretty.
Ready? It's still early. It's 4:26.
Still early. It take me like an hour to do my
The
makeup.
way I gotta do my hair, I don't know how long it's gonna take.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to do like a vacation. Curly.
We could literally like chill for like 30 more minutes and we gotta start getting ready. We 3 divas up in here.
No sleep. Wait.
No sleep. Another welcome drink. 3 welcome drinks.
I need to do my hair. I'm gonna need help with my hair because I don't know how to do that look.
We'll be back. All right, y'all. So this is gonna be my outfit for the night. Hoping it comes together. And yeah, I guess y'all see when I put it on. Hopefully it comes together. It will come together. Look at this hot stuff. I'm not gonna show y'all the other girls' outfits till they put them on, but one of them is caliente. Oh wait, that's another country.
Baby, I'm gonna take a picture with that outfit in this fan.
Yes. This is a nice view.
Amor llorar, un día suelta de felicidad. Si yo no te encuentro, yo solo por la calle. Quisiera ya saber, eres todo como digo. Yo quisiera ya saber el motivo y tu querer.
my gosh, that is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. You guys did this?
Well,
Oh
trying
my
to, but here's you. Y'all need to go see. We need to see. I want them to decorate.
Oh
like, if
my
you just don't hush and
goodness.
just lay your ass down and just enjoy your trip.
Hold on, this is so freaking. Oh my god, it's a champagne bottle. Oh my gosh, I'm in disbelief right now. This is crazy.
What the hell is it on?
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute.
You like it?
Yes, guys. Wow.
The girl didn't even notice.
I didn't even notice it at first either.
This is so freaking beautiful.
Yeah, I didn't notice it at first either.
We're glad you like it, even though we left our room a mess.
Wow.
Day 2 in St. Maarten, honey. We're having such a fucking good time.
Stones and diamonds both shine in the light. Two hands to heaven, my whiskey up high. Oh, only knows why though. Arizona heat, summer fling, saw your best side. Slip into my dreams every night. Be the good guy. Who am I to judge, my baby? Who am I to love, my baby? Colored pink, sugar cane, hitting them 16 switches. Candy, apple, green, candy paint, swirling 24 pink spinners. Swirl, don't judge me, baby. You would never judge me, baby. Bottle in my hand, my whiskey up high. Two hands to heaven, coyotes run wild. God only knows why though. Why? 10,000 steps towards the time of your life. Two hands to heaven, my whiskey up high. God only knows why though. Why though? Two hands to heaven, I pray please forgive my soul. Lovely daggers pierce my heart many moons ago. Toxic roses chased by wolves and carnivores. Lost virgins with broken wings that will reach. I'm a stallion running, no candle in the wind. You won't ever see me coming or going, but you know whenever I'm here. Dancing in the moonlight, catching every breeze. My feet on the dashboard, and I go really fast, boy. Ever since I went to Marfa, ain't no trouble on my mind. Singing sweet songs to Las Vegas, singing I will carry on, 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 singing I will carry on. 10,000 steps towards the time of your life. Two hands to heaven, my whiskey high. God only knows why though. Why? Stones and diamonds both shine in the light. Two hands to heaven, coyotes run wild. God only knows why.
We need a song. We're singing a song, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
Hey y'all. So we're on day 3 in St. Maarten, and yesterday was the yacht day. It was a vibe. Definitely gonna go ahead and insert some clips in there so y'all can see how we turned up. it's my girl Ashley's birthday today, so we're going to go to the rainforest and do like zip lining and just catch a vibe and look at nature and stuff like that. I'm such a nature girl, like. But this island is beautiful. One thing I could say is like these taxis are killing us. Like this one guy low-key tried to rob us, talking about, oh, after 10 p.m. the price triples. What? That was a whole lie. He tried it. But yeah, we're gonna walk and get food right now and then head to the rainforest. So I'll be filming at the rainforest, and yeah, stay tuned.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy.
At the different stops around the park, the operators will let you know to scan your wristbands. Still interested in the pictures, you keep them on. If not, you can take them off.
Okay, thank you.
But this is what allows you to see the pictures in the
Okay.
gift shop.
Awesome.
Then from here, you ladies are going up to the museum. It's actually in the little building, straight ahead. Then exit to the right, you'll see the chairs right over there.
Thank you.
Ladies, enjoy.
Thank you.
Just enjoy.
What do you call it? I'm gonna call you one side of the painting. I gotta freaking wipe my eyes, guys. I probably messed up my freaking makeup. What is this, Rainforest Adventures? Alright. Yeah. Love you. Oh my gosh, look at how steep that is.
Wow. Yeah, we're gonna drop from up there. Uh-oh, they fighting?
Let's go. Come on.
What are they doing? Just up there vlogging. Say hi to my vlog.
Hey.
This island is so beautiful.
You make a right up here? Oh hell no, that iguana is too big. I'm not about to play.
You ain't-
Somebody on TikTok said they got bit by one.
Bit by iguana is crazy. I guess we must go up here.
The chairs are right here. It sounds like a right towards the chairs. Are we waiting out here? I think we're waiting out here.
It is hot. Now I wish I would have brought my fan.
I think we're waiting here.
Exit.
I think that's really hot. Oh my god.
What is it?
Damn. Freaking hit the damn pole.
This is like your third time almost tripping today. Yeah, I don't wonder where we're supposed to go.
I think we're just sitting here.
I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on then, calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you.
So we are at a really high altitude and our ears are starting to pop. And listen, God is just amazing. Like, look what he did. This is why you need your passport, and it's a really good investment. so that when opportunities, for real though, because a lot of people don't have it. And it's like, even with Bali, I low-key was like crying because I didn't have my passport and I had the money to go. You know what I'm saying? It was just like everything was just not working out. I like, but anyway, I'm still gonna go to Bali. Say all that to say, I'm still going to Bali. I really want to go to Thailand, like Kendry said. Phuket. We're going to Phuket. So, but yeah, we are so excited. So we about to get ready to go down. It's going down. I'm not nervous, like, not at all. It's a cakewalk. Okay, I really want to go skydiving, but I'm excited than anything. Definitely not nervous. My faith is in this little rope. This place is so beautiful. I just keep saying that. Y'all nervous? Straight New York. Dead ass. That was so much fun. OMG. That was so much fun. It was worth it. So this is called the Flying Dutchman, and it was worth every penny. It was like $100. So I highly recommend. Highly recommend, especially if you're a daredevil like me. If you're a daredevil like me, you should do this. So we about to go check out the museum next, and then we about to get out of here and go to Katua Beach Club. So y'all catch a vibe with me. I know I haven't really been on the camera like that, but I'm back and I'm better. So just be patient with me, okay? Be patient. Life be lifing. So let's go ahead and check out the museum. Come on, stairs. Come on, legs. Yes. I love sweet potatoes.
Cassava dough. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Their main staple was cassava bread and supplemented through their locally obtained seafood and small land animals. Wow. Plants will grow well, knowledge of harvesting and leaf treatment was lacking, so they've been successful.
This is what he was talking about, where there's a Dutch side and the French side. So we're here.
That's the problem.
Get messed up. Look at this man.
Emilio was born in the Dominican. Okay, baby. He's Dominican, baby.
He looked Dominican.
No wonder I love this island so much.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. We are now in a taxi going to, how do you pronounce it again? How do you pronounce the restaurant we're going to?
Tonight?
No, just Catuella.
Yeah.
We're going to the restaurant to have lunch and just chill for a minute.
You're from Africa. When did you move here?
Who, me? No, I look at you, so I say I'm from Africa, your design.
Oh. So where are you? You're from here then?
Yeah, French.
Okay.
Yeah, low key
Yeah.
lit. Ashley got us these little cute little
Dutch is on the other side of
pineapples.
the island. So you're living on the Dutch side?
I made everybody some
Margaritas.
margaritas. Miss Thing don't like margarita, didn't tell me. Why, Ashley? Why I didn't know you don't like margaritas? I thought I knew everything about you.
And sour part.
Interesting.
Yeah, she didn't know that about me
One
neither.
question.
That I didn't like margaritas. I'm not a big fan of margaritas.
So what time you guys going restaurant later?
Oh, I don't know. Can
Like
you write the
7,
name of
8
the-
o'clock?
Can you write the name of the restaurant for us, please?
The one you just showed me?
No, the restaurant we're gonna go to for
Yeah.
tonight.
But
For us to
tonight
go
you
to.
have choice.
Ashley talking about
I am
let's
down.
walk there. That thing said
Yeah, but you have
20-minute
many choice.
walk.
But your
Shit.
top two.
The top
20
two.
Your
minutes.
favorite, yeah.
Walking.
Best two places you think we
We're
should
gonna
go
fall
to.
out by the time we get there.
Rainbow Cafe.
Rainbow Cafe. What
Yeah.
time we gonna go there?
Like the food, the
Oh, we
design,
did have Rainbow Cafe on the menu, on the itinerary.
It's good
and
on.
or Java. And between Java, Rainbow Cafe, Ocean 22, and La Villa is different. The design is good for the pictures in the night.
Java.
For the food. I want
We
good.
want,
I
we low key
good,
want both, but
authentic.
we want more food, and then we can always take pictures like at the resort.
Are you looking for a type of food? Caribbean food, local food?
I want like not even local food. Like what's St Maarten?
International.
What is St
I
Maarten
don't
known
want.
for?
I want flavorful food. Flavor. Tastes good and delicious. Melts in my mouth.
Yum.
Yes, but which?
Some place that
Even
has like
seafood,
steak
I
and
wanna
seafood.
do steak, cause she only eats seafood. So seafood and steak.
Skipjack is good too.
What is it called? Skipjack.
Skipjack. It's in Simpson Bay.
Skipjack. Simpson Bay.
Yeah.
We're gonna be dressed really nice. We always extra anyway. So
All right. So where we gotta go? Where we
he
gotta
looking
go?
at me
We gotta
like,
walk from here?
why you looked at me like that?
Excuse me?
Why you looked at me like that?
No, you're tipping me, so you gotta pay me.
I gotta pay you
Yeah.
extra?
Yeah, to have my video.
Oh, okay.
Screaming.
Choose.
They pocket pick it. They steal people's stuff.
In French side,
Mm-hmm.
pocket picking, no, how they gonna steal your stuff if the government give them money free every month?
Really?
Really?
No, not really.
They get like a
You
stipend?
guys have you got Google, you know. Knowledge is power.
We don't know. This is
The
our
French
first time
side,
in
yeah,
St.
you
Maarten.
got 3 kids, the friends give you 1,009 to help
Give
you.
good goods? Really?
No, he give you in your account.
Why you don't move over there?
Then he pay your rent. You don't need to do shit in the end of the day. You guys too in the States, the government don't help
I'm gonna
you guys.
move over there
Hell
right now.
no, the government don't help us. The government.
So we are not at our destination, and the taxi driver is just kind of blowing me. He was just doing the most.
She had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. I'm happy that. Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now my ritual.
We're leaving the beach. We took like a million photos. I'm gonna insert some of the photos that we took. And we're starving. Like, we need food at this point. We need food. Because yesterday, we kind of played ourselves. We did not go to dinner. And we ended up eating at like 2 a.m., which was crazy. I was feeling like so fatigued. I could barely walk. That's how bad it was. So that's not happening again tonight for sure. We're gonna go eat and have appetizers, and then we're gonna go to dinner later. So we made it to the restaurant, which was like not far from the beach. We're still on the beach. And y'all, like, I had to excuse myself from the table because this guy, the taxi driver, he is literally blowing me. Like, everything I say, he's challenging me on it. He was trying to order like escargot for the table, and I'm like, I'm not in the mood for escargot, you know? That's more of like a dinner type thing. I just want to have lunch. So he's like, oh, you don't like it? And I'm just like, he's trying to be nice, and I don't want to come with like a bad attitude, but it's starting to frustrate me, you know what I'm saying? And now he's like sitting at the table with us, and it's getting weird, to be quite honest. It's getting very weird. Like, we normally, you know, we talk about crazy stuff and stuff like that, and he just kind of like inserted himself. I don't know, I sound like I'm complaining. Let me let that go, but let me show y'all what I'm talking about. See, look, you see him there? He's at the table. Anyway, this is the beach. So we're at this little restaurant. I just came to the bar. So yeah, I just came to the bar to just kind of like get my energy right, because the way I am, how I feel, it shows all over my face. So he was like, you all right? I was like, yeah, I'm good. Kind of low-key lying, but I was like, I'm good, because I'm not rude. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to be like, dude, leave. I'm not going to say that. But I don't know, y'all. What should I do? What should we do? Like, he's followed us this whole time that we've been on the beach. Whole time. I'm talking about when we was taking pictures, he was there taking pictures, well, looking at the camera while we taking the pictures. So, what would you do? I want to know, what would you do in a circumstance like this? Put it in the comments. Okay? So I'm just about to sit here and relax and get my mind together, and I'll be back to show y'all my food. Okay?
She went and got you. She went and got you because you were the...
So what happened right here is that our food came back pretty much burnt from the kitchen. Somebody ordered snapper and it came out burnt. So it got sent back to the kitchen. And this is Ashley trying to reason with the waitress and the manager to get them to take that meal off of the ticket. Meanwhile, there was another altercation going on behind us with some guests, and I got bit by something and I was just breaking out in hives. So this is just pretty much how this whole situation went.
Because you're going to take it out from her. She didn't make it. Your chef made it. Remove it. You got your food back. The bouquet, we went to Anguilla. So the Anguilla, that was really nice. And then we also did
the zip line, rainbow, front side.
we got to learn about it. So it was really cool.
That was really cool. And what would make you want to come back? If I may.
The view, the people.
The vibe?
Yeah.
Okay, last question. Where are you guys from? In the States?
Oh, Tampa.
Tampa. So y'all came from Tampa?
Mm-hmm.
Be sure to tag.
Thank you.
St Maarten in your
yeah, of course.
Any social
We
stuff?
definitely take pictures of when we get back home.
Okay, good. No problem. Good stuff. Enjoy. Have a
Thank
good
you.
evening.
Vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set. Full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
I know. The last day. We going home. It was love though.
I definitely enjoyed myself.
Yeah.
Yep.
We getting ready to go to the airport, y'all. It's the end of the road.
Take us to the airport, deal.
It's done. You want to say hi to my video?
Yeah.
You want to say hi?
We're on Instagram. Where are we?
We just on regular video.
Hi, guys. I'm Leo, sweet Leo, sweet, cute, smart, and confident, amazing, fantastic, sassy, spicy, special, cute, amazing, fabulous, fierceless, fiery, hot,
Yeah.
super cool.
Yeah.
And it also means hug me, kiss me, love me, you fucking hate me, you're going to hell.
Yeah. With gasoline draws.
If you put everything together, it just means sweet, smooth fucking bullshit. You did his research.
Yeah.
Ladies, thank you very much.
Thank you. The food was amazing. The snapper was amazing. It was, yeah, so good.
Yeah, the best snapper here so far.
Yeah.
I didn't send too much.
I know, I can't eat no more. I'm stuffed.
But yeah, y'all, we about to get ready to go to the airport. It's the end of the road. I'm definitely gonna be adding some more clips from last night. So stay tuned. Later.
I don't know